643,000 plus founder positions have joined this incredible business thus far, and it's just the tip of the iceberg. With a global reach of over 4 billion plus, all these people are still to come, and they will all fall under us founders, growing our team and growing our income. Hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. The abundance to come will be so much our tanks will overflow. Then it's time for us founders to help the world. Founders will help stop people from starving. Founders will help stop people from drinking contaminated water. Founders will help people have shelter. And much, much more. And this is all thanks to our wonderful CEO, who is changing our lives and has given us the opportunity to change the lives of others too. He allowed us to be a part of his vision, in which he started from ground zero to create a complete internet solution. He has since July 2018 worked tirelessly with his amazing tech team to create what I believe is the best business ever. Onpassive. We are so blessed to be here and to have Ash Mafare on our side. If you still don't get what is going on here, I suggest you do your due diligence and make haste. Founder positions will be closing soon, and the opportunity to be at the top before the billions come in will be gone. Forever. It's going to be so incredible. PM me as soon as possible and I will get you in. You can thank me later. This business will allow you to leave more than enough for your children and their children when you have gone. Doesn't that give you a good night's sleep? It definitely gives it to me. Success is guaranteed here at Onpassive. All you have to do is just get in. Bobby Diraag UK. A Bill Must production.